Here I am at the Lakeland auction, sponsored by Carlisle, and here's a car that is, I think in most charitable terms, controversial. It's a Chrysler Town & Country convertible by Maserati. However, it's really a Chrysler Town & Country with Maserati trim, let's say. It was a venture between the two car companies and doomed to failure because there's not enough to establish that it's a Maserati, in my opinion. And it was expensive, as you might expect when you have a deal that crosses the Atlantic Ocean. It looks in very nice shape. It'd be interesting to see if it does sell. It's being touted here, according to that sticker, as an kind of an underrated investment potential, but I don't know. Here we have a porthole, which is a little interesting, and we have a hard top that is removable to reveal a convertible top underneath, and it's powered by the Mitsubishi V6, which is exactly what the Chrysler Town & Country had. So automatic, and I'm sure it drives nicely, but essentially it's a K car. So there you are. And a fancy K car at that. I've videoed some of these before. I've had a couple videos of this model, but you don't often see it at an auto show. So we'll see what happens. Who knows? They didn't think the Edsel had much of a future either.